everyone. For today's lunch, we are using the Bentgo Kids. Inside the Bentgo Kids, I have some chicken tenders. So I'm gonna give them 2 chicken tenders. I have here some little pretzel sticks, some carrot and celery sticks. I cut them into like matchsticks because they're a little thinner. He has no teeth, so it's gonna be a little hard for him to eat. So I made sure that they were cut thin. I have a clementine peeled up and then his multivitamins here in the center. For snack today, I'm just gonna give him a tube of these Ritz crackers. And then I have his bottle of milk and water to go with that. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Welcome back to my channel, Little Monsters. Today we are using the Bentgo Kids Chill. Inside the Bentgo Kids Chill, we're doing a DIY Lunchables. So I have some Ritz crackers here. I have some little mini salami bites. These I found at Aldi and they're like perfectly cut already. I have some grapes. I have some cucumber slices here for veggie, his multivitamins, and then I have 2 sticks of Kobe Jack cheese. And again, with this being the Bentgo Kids Chill, it does come with a cold pack on the bottom. So you guys have asked before if this does work, and it does keep things cool. Sorry, here it is. So this goes in the freezer, and then I put it in the morning of right before school. It snaps in place, and you just close it right up. So to this, I do have a yogurt stick, and this is gonna be for snack. And then I have the thermos of milk and then a bottle of water. So that is what he's bringing to school today. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Hey little monster, so today I have the Planet Box Rover, I have the Ocean Theme magnets, and inside the Rover, I did a Nutella sandwich. I used a sandwich cutter. I haven't used one in a while, but I do have the link in the description box down below to the set that I bought on Amazon. There's several different shapes and stuff, but this one's a puzzle piece, and I think Brandon does like to kind of put the puzzle pieces together, but that is there. I have some broccoli here. I have some veggie straws, his multivitamins, and a clementine that I peeled up. And then for snack, I'm just gonna give him a bag of these mini bear graham crackers. So these are just like Teddy Grahams with the chocolate flavor, and this is from Aldi. And then I'm just gonna give him a large thermos of milk today. This is a Minecraft bottle, no extra water since this thing is huge. Obviously, he loves Nutella, so he likely will finish this at the end of the day, and I guarantee you these broccolis are gonna still be here, but we will see at the end of the day what he eats. Thanks for watching. Happy Friday, little monsters. We are at the end of our lunch week. Today I am using the Yum Box Panino. Inside the Yum Box Panino, I had spinach wraps, and I kind of made like a quesadilla slash like just a warm sandwich, I guess, for him. I have some turkey, some cheese. I put a little bit of ranch dressing in here, which he probably will not suspect, which is good. And then some spinach in here. So I made it like a quesadilla, but I just warmed it up a little bit and didn't really heat it as much as I typically would for the quesadilla, but I just wanted to melt the cheese so they stuck together. But I have a few of these pieces here. I have some pretzel goldfish, blueberries here in the center. I put his multivitamins in a little silicone cup here instead. And then I have little mini Oreos for dessert. For a snack, I'm just gonna give him a cup of applesauce and this spork right here to use. And then I do have the link to how I ordered this on Amazon in the description box down below if you guys want that. And then we have his thermos of milk, and then I'm actually switching to a thermos of water instead because he was saying that he wanted the water to be colder than what the little bottles were. So I'm just gonna switch him to this. Hopefully he brings both of them back. There are some times when he forgets one. I can't imagine 2, but we will see. So we will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Thanks for watching. Have a monster-rific weekend. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please remember to do so you can see what we come up with next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.